Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to go over 7 items that I will not be purchasing in 2024. I pretty much do this every year, or sometimes I do a couple a year. These are the things that are specifically off limits for 2024. I definitely have some shocking things on here, okay? I feel like they're usually like pretty obvious things, like things I don't like in general, but this year's list is wild because as you guys know, I'm going on a no buy. So that means we're being ruthless, okay? List. So if you guys want to know which 7 items I will not be purchasing in 2024, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like not buying some of those things in 2024, I feel like it's definitely where you're going to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a Key Danger. I post every single day over there. Evidence of real. Outfit of the day. Something else stories. It's a lot. Okay, we post a lot over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So the first item or type of item that I will not be purchasing in 2024 is luxury designer, like $1,000 plus shoes. Now, I already am very picky about the designer shoes that I add to my collection. And that's just because I don't want to buy designer shoes that I'm not gonna wear. And you guys know that resale value for shoes is horrendous, as it should be. These things are quite literally touching the floor. Because of that, I feel like I don't want to buy them anymore. And that's where I'm at. I feel like I have all of the basic shoes that I need. And I will say a lot of the shoes that I have bought recently, they hurt, man. They hurt so bad. And so I'm not in a position where I'm cool spending like over $1,000 on a pair of shoes that's gonna hurt really bad. Now I'm cool with shoes hurting. Trust me, I'm cool with it. And the shoes that I have that hurt are staying here. That's fine. But I'm not actively looking for pain. You know. The second thing that I will not be buying in 2024 is luxury costume jewelry. You guys know I love costume jewelry, especially for earrings. Okay, these are Fashion Nova, probably like $5. Tell your friends. Luxury costume jewelry is just the biggest waste of money that I've ever experienced in my entire life. I barely have any, but the pieces that I do have, I can tell you they were not worth it, okay? They were not worth it. I have a Dior choker, which I absolutely love. You guys know I wear that all the time. And it's beautiful, except for the fact that it's completely tarnished and disgusting. And there is absolutely no reason for it to be tarnished and disgusting because I don't wear it enough. I mean, yes, I wear it, but I wear it, take some pictures, take a video, and then take it off. Like, there's no reason for it to be literally green. I just feel like I am not in a position where I want to be spending all that money on something that's going to look disgusting minutes later. That's just not what I want to do. I'm definitely liking fine jewelry more than costume jewelry. And yes, I understand that fine jewelry is like a lot more expensive. This ring, I believe, is just over $1,000, which would be it's probably just slightly more than the Dior choker. Not tarnished, still in beautiful, perfect condition. And I've had it for years and years and years. And I wear this I wear every single day. So I'm just saying fine jewelry is definitely more worth it in my opinion. I've also voiced this in an unpopular opinions video, which I'll link up here, but I'm not down for it. Okay. So another one that I've spoken about in the same unpopular opinions video is luxury sunglasses. I haven't bought a pair of luxury sunglasses in years, definitely years. And I am cool with that because I don't think that they're worth the money personally. I mean, listen. As somebody who literally used to work in luxury sunglasses, I can tell you that it's definitely not worth the price that you are paying. Not only are most of these sunglasses made, like even if they're like, let's say Saint Laurent, and I'm using examples, this is not like 100% fact, but let's just say like this is Saint Laurent versus this is Dior versus this is Chanel. They're all made by the same company. They just have a different name on them, if that makes any sense. I think one of the brands is actually called Luxottica is one of them. I can't remember the other. There's like 2 like really big ones. I can't remember the other one. And this is, again, for the most part, I'm not saying this is every single brand, and those were just examples I gave you. But for the most part, that's what it is, okay? And if that's what you want to spend your money on, that is cool. It's just not where I want to spend my money. I do have quite a few sunglasses that I bought when I worked in luxury sunglasses. I did sell most of them, but I do have a couple pairs left. There's actually a Gucci pair that's like right up here that I'll show you, I guess, since they're right up here. And I think they're really cool, but do I need like 500 of these? No, I definitely don't. These are definitely dusty, so, and dirty. I haven't worn them in a very long time, but look how cool these are. I just don't think that's something that I need to be buying constantly, like year after year, buying another one. The ones that I have, I am perfectly happy with. If I want a new pair of sunglasses, that's why I got invented Amazon. That's why I got invented Key Australia. That's why I got invented Desi. Like, there are so many other options where you don't have to be dropping hundreds and hundreds of dollars on sunglasses, okay? Plus, I'm one of those people who doesn't wear sunglasses when I have a full face of makeup on. That's just how I do. And that's because my eyelashes, like, I don't know if you just saw the struggle that was. I could not open my eyes with that, okay? So it's the eyelashes, it's the leaving marks on my nose. So really, what's the point? What's the point? I couldn't tell you. I'm gonna leave the most shocking things for the end. So let's go into bag organizers. I don't own any, and I never plan on owning any. When I got my Chanel 19, I really thought that I was gonna get an organizer for it because it's a very slouchy bag, and I'm not a slouchy bag type of girl. But I never did, and honestly, she's surviving just fine. I feel like my bags are small enough that, like, I don't need organization in there. What do I need to organize? There's nothing. I open the bag, I can see my stuff, I'll get it and go about my life. I know a lot of people like to keep the interior of their bags looking like pristine. I don't care that much about that, I'm gonna be honest. I mean, like, I'm not keeping open pens or anything in my bags. I do keep my keys just like all willy-nilly in there. I don't care. I just don't feel like it's that serious for me personally. I don't care what the interior of the bag looks like because it's the interior. Who gives a rat's ass? So having an organizer in there doesn't serve a purpose for keeping the interior clean for me because I don't care. It doesn't serve a purpose for keeping the inside organized because I also carry like 3 things with me. So like, how are we going to organize those 3 things? I just don't find a purpose for it for myself. So I'm just not gonna buy them. Kind of in that same boat, we're gonna talk about bag charms. I don't know for sure. I feel like I might have mentioned this in a previous video. Maybe it was an unpopular luxury opinions video. I'll link that up here if I find it. But I definitely am not a fan of bag charms. And if you are, please don't feel like you need to fight me in the comments because truly it's okay if you are and I'm not. I just don't like the idea of putting things on my bags in general, whether it's twillies, bag charms, anything like that. I don't want to do it. So I don't. I like my bags to be as is. I don't like to really accessorize them. I don't like to do anything to them. This is how I bought them. This is how they are. So that's really how I feel about that. All right, so here are the 2 most shocking items. The first one, Van Cleef 5 motif Alhambra bracelets. I'm not buying this in 2024. I'm going to show you the ones that I have. This is the mother of pearl and this is the black onyx. I don't feel like I want an arm full of Van Cleef bracelets. I'm sorry, but for me, having 3 Van Cleef bracelets is like taking it. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I would consider adding the guilloche. I just don't think that's going to be in 2024. I'm looking to add a bangle and I don't really think that that's going to be like a more than 1 bracelet type of year in 2024, you know? I really don't have an itch to add another one. Like I said, the guilloche is the only other one that I feel like I would consider, but I'm not like dying to go to Van Cleef and, you know, put a full deposit down on a bracelet and then wait like several months to get it. That's just, it's not where I'm at right now. Okay, maybe one day. Doubt it though. And the last thing, which is probably the most shocking thing on this entire list, is handbags. I will not be adding any new handbags in 2024, except there are 2 occasions that I will allow. For my anniversary, which is in May, well, my anniversary / Mother's Day, we usually just group those 2 together. And then my birthday, which is in September, I will probably buy a bag for each one of those. I'm gonna let you know that right now. Most likely it's gonna happen. Plus, I do have 2 handbag unboxings that you guys have not seen yet, so stay tuned for those. But those obviously were purchased. I mean, the day I'm filming this is December, I don't know what day it is, 28th. So we're still in 2023, does not count. I got kids, man. Okay, we got other things going on. I'm finishing my freaking tattoo finally, which is expensive. We got things going on. I can't just be sitting here spending money on bags like crazy. So that is the plan for 2024. I did do a low buy in 2023, but that completely went to shit. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Like in September is when I kind of like lifted the low buy terms on myself. And then I just spent like crazy after that. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's just what happened. I have also almost no space. Like, where am I gonna put anything? There's no space. So It's not happening. It's not happening. Not in 2024, maybe in 2025, but we just got other priorities, okay? And the priorities kind of they didn't make their way to the top of the list in 2023, but they're gonna in 2024 because I'm done. We need to prioritize. So yeah, guys, those are these 7 things that I will not be buying in 2024. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought. If you are offended, which I'm sure you are, you can let me know in a nice way. That's fine. Everybody has their own thing that they're into. Everybody has their own niche. And I hope you feel comfortable in your niche, and I'm happy for you. But I'm not buying it. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I can never fully scooch. Like, this chair is the worst. That should be like the one thing on my wish list for 2024 is getting a new chair.